I'm going to select my placed graphic. Remember, this is pixel based. Now, whenever you bring an image into Illustrator, you'll notice that the control panel gives you feedback about the image itself. Its name, okay, what type of file it is, and its PPI. Now in this case, this is just a simple black and white scan. That's why the resolution is quite high. I want to convert this into a vector-based logo. To do so, I am going to select the option here, Trace Image. There's a little drop down which allows you to choose the type of format that you want to trace your image in. Now I'm simply going to select black and white logo. You can experiment with these different settings. It will give me a little warning dialog box. I'm going to click OK because it's going to generate multiple paths. It has now taken my pixel-based graphic and turned it into vectors, described mathematically. If I get my zoom tool now and zoom in, you will see that the edges have been smoothed and there is no sign of any pixels. So this is a great technique for taking a pixel-based graphic and turning it into a vector-based graphic. You'll notice, having used the image tracing option, that we've changed here the information in the control panel. It now says group. It says preset, so it's showing us here the preset that we use to convert this to a vector-based graphic. You can at this point still switch and change to other options. There's even a drop down which allows you to change what you're currently viewing. We are viewing the tracing results. Having traced our image, we can now see that the control panel is giving us different information. It's now calling this object a group. We now see that we have options to change the type of tracing algorithms that it used. We also have the option to change the preview. At the moment we're seeing the tracing results. We can go back and switch to see the source, just the outlines, the source, the original bitmapped image, or the final result of our trace. Now, to continue working on this traced file, we need to click the expand button. This will release it from the tracing format. When I click expand, it releases the vector-based paths. We can now see that it's turned our pixel-based graphic into a vector-based graphic.